On March 31, 2024, at around 10:15 p.m., Hollenbeck Division officers were driving northbound on Vicente Fernandez Street from 1st Street when they observed an unoccupied pickup truck stopped in the middle of the roadway with its doors open.
Hey, get down! Show me your hands, LAPD! Hey, get down on the ground! Hey, get down on the ground! Hey, get down on the ground! Hold up! Hey, coming down! Hey, I think toss article down here!
1240, Roger.
Suspect is running. Eastbound. Shots fired, officer needs help. 472. Burst and boil. Suspect's going to be a male Hispanic. Wearing black hoodie. Continue running westbound.
All units, officer needs help. First and boil.
Hey!
Unit come in on Hollenbeck frequency. Suspect is a male Hispanic.
Hey, come right here!
Sweater running west.
Right here! Black car!
Coming on Hollenbeck.
Put that gun down!
First shooting.
He has a gun!
1240, Roger. Suspect is moving.
Put a shot fired! Put a shot fired! I heard it!
All units, officer needs help.
He's behind the car here!
First and boil.
Hold on. He's here, fuck here! He's behind this car! He's right here! No! He's behind those cars!
Let me see your hands. Hey, got hands, got the guy in the car. See your hands. All right. Move. Let's do that. Don't move.
I got cuts.
What's his hand? The other hand. Other hand.
Other hand, bro.
Are you hit? Are you hit?
He's hit.
No, I'm sorry, no. They shot at me.
You didn't get hit?
No, I didn't hit me. They shot at me, though.